And I put some balm layers in my hair last night, y'all. I was going for like a natural length. I think this hair was 18 inches. I cut it to about 16 with some fire layers in it. I'm gonna comb them out. I was going for like a natural silk press pin curl look. So hopefully I'm getting that vibe. It sucks, y'all, because I wanted to drive over to the game, but he said I can't because he didn't get his parking pass yet. And I'm wearing heels, so I'm really not trying to walk over there. But if I drive his car, it's going to get towed. So, therefore, I'm either going to wear sandals over there, which I don't like to do. It's a habit. My mom got me like that. Like, she always told me if you wear heels, you wear heels. If you wear sandals, you wear sandals. But all that, like, switching shoes and stuff, like, that's why she had me walking in heels in the house at a young age to train myself. But the heels that I'm wearing today, y'all, I haven't worn them yet. So I didn't even get a chance to, like, break them in. I don't want my feet to be hurting by the time I get to the damn field. So I don't know what I'm about to do. So should I finger? Yeah, I'm going to finger it out. All right, so we're going to do a side part. Who was I fooling? Do I not know myself? Something's off. I don't know what it is. I think it's the fact that this part doesn't go all the way back. I will say that about this wig. This frontal does not go far back at all. Maybe do half up, half down then, because let me just, all right, we're gonna put some dry shampoo on her. Get this body flowing.
Play perfect.